It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, power tilting steering column, twin-turbo i4 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. High style, high performance. Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,